This is Shepherd's Melody, and I'm going to play the left hand. So your left hand stays in a set finger position with all of them lined up. The first section has a 3 on a B flat. This here is middle C. So 2 on middle C, 5 on G at the bottom. So the first section mostly has chords. You've got to do lots of holding of finger 5, which means it's got to be quite strong. So first of all, there are 6 chords that are the same. It's a 5 and a 1 at the same time. Each time you're counting 3 quavers in your head so that you know the speed. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now we have to play 5 and 2. Hold the 5, add the 3 on the B flat. 5 and 2, add the thumb on D. 5 and 2. Down to 3 on the B flat, 4 on his own, land on 5 and 1. 5 and 2, down to the 3 again, still holding the 5. Up to thumb. Now this time we do the same thing but play it loud. This is bar 11. Bar 12 is quiet. Bar 13 is loud. Down to 3 on the B flat. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 1 and 4, and then 1 and 5. I'm going to play all of that without talking.